This is the point where the arrogance of German engineering meets the harsh reality of material limits, as the steel begins to fatigue and the seals begin to fail under the impossible demands placed upon them. The documentary shows the intricate cross-sections of the gun, highlighting the narrow tolerances and the fragile nature of the ignition system that holds the key to the entire project's success or failure. It is a battle of man against the fundamental forces of nature, where every step forward in velocity is met with a new obstacle in stability and structural integrity. As the manufacturing plants struggle to produce enough high-quality steel to keep up with the constant failures, it becomes clear that the V3 is not just a gun, but a massive scientific experiment being conducted in the middle of a world war. The physics are sound in theory, but the engineering is a nightmare of epic proportions, proving that even with unlimited resources, some dreams of destruction are too heavy for the world to carry.
To turn this theoretical engine of destruction into a practical reality, the German High Command realizes they cannot simply place a 100-meter-long gun on a traditional carriage, because it would be an easy target for any passing Allied fighter pilot. They decide to bury the weapon deep within the earth, choosing a site near the tiny French hamlet of Mimoyex, which sits atop a massive ridge of solid chalk and limestone. The plan is to transform this entire hill into a subterranean fortress of unprecedented scale, a concrete monster that will house 50 individual barrels aimed permanently at the center of London. Thousands of workers, including specialized mining teams and forced laborers from across occupied Europe, are brought to the site to begin the monumental task of hollowing out the ridge. They dig a series of vast tunnels hundreds of meters below the surface, creating a hidden city designed to withstand even the heaviest aerial bombardment from the Royal Air Force.
The heart of the facility consists of 5 massive shafts angled at precisely 50 degrees, which will hold the long steel tubes of the V3 cannons securely in place. Each shaft is designed to contain 5 barrels, meaning the mountain itself will become the frame of the weapon, using the weight of the earth to absorb the immense recoil of the simultaneous firings. As we look at the historical blueprints, we see an intricate network of railway lines, ammunition depots, and living quarters, all connected by miles of damp and dimly lit corridors. The construction consumes staggering amounts of high-quality concrete and steel, diverting essential materials away from the front lines where they are desperately needed. The Germans even construct a massive railway tunnel that runs directly into the heart of the hill, allowing entire trains to deliver shells and propellant directly to the guns without ever being seen from the air.